Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters. These handy controls, located right behind your steering wheel, give you manual command over your vehicle's gears. They allow for a more engaging and responsive driving experience, letting you choose exactly when to shift. Get ready to take control of your Honda Passport's performance. To shift up, simply pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel. You'll want to do this when your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, are getting high, or when you want to accelerate smoothly. Upshifting helps maintain efficient power delivery and increases your vehicle's speed effectively. For downshifting, pull the paddle on the left side. This is useful for engine braking when going downhill, or to gain more power for quick acceleration, like when passing another vehicle. Downshifting gives you greater control and responsiveness, especially in dynamic driving situations. Remember, your paddle shifters will often revert to automatic mode after a period of inactivity, or if you hold the right paddle. They are perfect for spirited driving on winding roads or when towing, giving you precise control. Also, for staying refreshed on your adventures, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.